Why can't you tickle yourself? Go on, try it. Nothing, right? But let someone else do it. And suddenly you're fighting for your life. Here's the creepy part. Your brain knows the future. Before your fingers even touch your skin, your brain already predicted the feeling and shut it down. It literally says, false alarm. This was scheduled. This ability is called sensory prediction. Your brain runs a preview of your actions and cancels the surprise. No surprise, no tickle. And here's what's wild. People whose brains can't predict properly can sometimes tickle themselves, meaning tickling isn't about your skin. It's about who's in control. So next time someone tickles you, remember, your brain lost. If you like moments that mess with your head long after the video ends, subscribe.